Hi, my name is Juan and welcome to GM Tech AutoCAD. So today we're going to do a bit of unboxing of our DA-EZ-21. So in our DA-EZ-21 polisher, we tend to give it in a set. You get in the box, you will get two polishing pads, which is our GM Tech Purple Wool pad and Maroon polishing pad. You'll also get GM Tech Infinity 9.0, it's 300 grams. Is our DA polisher bag. Plastic out. Alright, so what you see here is our DA-EZ-21. It's a 5-inch polisher and it has an orbit of 21 mm. So you can see here the number. So sometimes you see on the market they have several numbers: 8 mm, 12 mm, 15 mm and 21 mm. So what does that mean? So what basically means is that the oscillation, the bigger the number, then the wider the oscillation will be. So meaning that when you're polishing, actually it will be a bit more faster. You get a better, faster correction time. You can remove defects faster. It has 810 watts, which means that it actually has a lot of power in that motor. So it goes from 1650 to 4800, and it has a variable speed right here. So the variable speed, you can actually adjust the speed to speed 1, speed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the cord meter length, if I'm not mistaken, it's 4 meters. So 4 meters, you have actually a good ample cord length, and the weight of it is 2.8 kilograms. So it's not too light, not too heavy either. The standard weight that's in the polisher machine. Alright, so let's talk about like the accessories that come in right here. Right, you'll get a spare set of carbon brush. Okay, so our DA-EZ-21 actually has 2 pieces of carbon brush. You actually even get a couple of backing plate screws as well. So sometimes if you want to change your backing plate and you don't want to reuse your screws, you can actually change to a new one, and it comes as well with an Allen key. We also have a matching color of rubberized grip handle. Okay, so it's also suitable for beginners and advanced. If they would like to use a grip handle, they can actually just take out the screw here. Alright, so you can either put either side. Alright, so when you tighten it, make sure that you don't over tighten it, or because this screw is plastic. Right here we have our instruction manual. So an instruction manual have a few things regarding about basic maintenance in terms of how to change your backing plate, and if after long usage and your carbon brush has worn out, usually when it stopped working, in the spare set there's also an instruction on how to change. Now if you're not confident in having to fix your polishing machine, GM Tech AutoCAD, we actually have technical service where after sales support we actually have fixed this machine. So there should be mostly any parts that has any issues with this polisher machine. You can actually send that to us and we can also fix it for you. That's about it on our DA polisher. If you have any questions, do comment below in our video, and follow onto our social media: Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. And see you later.